Hello. So today I will be talking about the recent project that I have been working on, and I'm going to share. So first of all, I would share my PowerPoint presentation. I hope you can see that. As you can see on the left-hand side is the title of the project that I have done. So it's basically a simple LLM-powered investment crypto portfolio generator. So basically, it's a kind of yeah, it generates an investment portfolio based upon an user's or an investor's amount of money the investor is willing to invest, and also their risk appetite. So as you can see on the right hand side is an image of the user interface of the web application that I'm going to oh, demonstrate just now. But before I do that, I will just give a short introduction about myself. So I'm Devadeep Chaudhary. I am a data science and AI professional. I'm based in the UK. As you can see, there is my email address and LinkedIn as well. So please feel free to reach out to me about this project. First of all, I would like to give a demo of the web. So I will be sharing my screen. Uh, so as you can see, I hope you can see now. So yeah, so it's my LLM powered portfolio crypto generator. So it first of all it asks for how much money we are willing to invest. 1,000. Then it asks for the risk level. Let's give it medium. Then based on that, we can generate our portfolio. Based on that, we can generate our portfolio. I click on the generate portfolio, and as you can see, the portfolio is generated. So, so the service I'm using is Render, and you can access it from this link. You can access my web application from anywhere, and it's completely free, so there is no costs associated. Uh, then I would again share my PowerPoint. I will give a description about how I did this thing. Um, share. So as you can see, uh, this is my project. So it's an web-based crypto portfolio, a simple web application. It's basically about a portfolio generator that is powered by an LLM. So as you can see, as you have seen, it just asks the amount the users want to invest, the user's risk appetite, and the programming languages that uses is Python language. I have developed it using a Streamlit, and I have deployed it on Render for public access, so you can view it at any time from anywhere, and there are no costs associated, so it's completely free. About the front end, the user interface, it's based on Streamlit, which is a Python-based web framework, and it handles user input, investment amount, risk level, and it displays the uh, formatted portfolio as well as a raw LLM output. Uh, so what are the different parts of this software application? So the first component is the front end component, which is the user input, the sending data to backend, and then displaying or outputting an output of the portfolio. The first is the front end, the second comes the back end, which is the Python logic, the back end, the app.py file. Uh, in our backend, we have used the LLM model, which is basically an Hugging Face based LLM model. And there we have used the uh, Meta Llama model. So it's basically handles the natural language prompt, and then so we have connected it to the Hugging Face inference client. I would not say the OpenAI, not only the Hugging Face interface client. Then we had to parse the output using a Python dictionary and then convert it into a usable, into a suitable format for uh, ease of visualization. I deployed it through render. I first of all pushed the code to GitHub and then connected the render to my GitHub and repo. And so the GitHub repo actually hosts the code, render pulls the repo and deploys the repo using the configuration files. And then the app is served as a public web app which anyone can view. So basically what happens is user opens the web app, enters investment amount and risk level. The app generates a prompt. Then this prompt is sent to the Hugging Face hosted LLM, which is the Llama Meta Llama. Then this LLM returns a suggested portfolio. Then this portfolio is parsed and displayed for ease of visualization. It's parsed and displayed in a suitable format for visualization. The user can view both raw output and structured results. So what are the technologies I have used? I have used the component technology, the Streamlit framework, user interface framework, the Hugging Face large language models. I have used Python programming language mostly, then as used GitHub for hosting the code, and then connected the code on GitHub to render. So the model that I have used was Meta's Llama 3.1 model that I have used. Um, Let me give another demo of my web app. Uh, so this is the web app. I hope you can see it. This is that. So it's let's put it to 1 million and then give it to high and then generate portfolio. See, it gives a very beautiful portfolio. And this is the raw LLM output. And this is the suggested portfolio. Uh, about the code, my code is right now on render and the real code is on GitHub. So this is the GitHub. This is my code, my trading bot code. It's public, so you can view it at any time. Um, so basically, this is it. Um, then, uh, so this is it. And then, what I'll be looking to do is in the future, I'll be looking to kind of upgrade uh, my web application. I'll be looking to kind of add more complex features, put more models into it and more roles, so that the portfolio it generates is kind of more tested. But slowly, I'll be looking to make it more sophisticated and complicated, and eventually turn it into a full-time trading bot that can actually trade, leave trade. First of all, I'll try using paper trading. Yeah. So, so this is the project. Basically, to give an summary of that, it's basically a web-based crypto portfolio generator. which uses a kind of a large language model, and using that large language model suggests a portfolio for an user to invest their money on. Crypto, we focus on the crypto side, as the crypto side is very difficult, and investors, for instance, beginning investors need a lot of suggestions to um, to invest on crypto. That's why we focus on crypto. Um, and It's written using Python programming language. Yeah. Basically, this is it. Um, so I'll stop sharing. So I hope you find it useful. I'll be doing more projects and making more videos on that, and I hope it would be very helpful and useful to you. If you like that, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and also um, uh, leave a comment. If you have any ideas, you can share it with me. You can reach out to me via email or LinkedIn. Or you can also leave a comment as well, and I'd be looking to it. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll be back with more videos. So yeah, so have a good time. Bye. Thanks a lot for watching this.